This had been a wonderful meeting. We just had a session on novel therapies. I discussed the role of telomerase inhibition, particularly focusing on data in Imetelstat, which is a drug that's been approved by the FDA for myelodysplastic syndromes, and we were looking at the data in myelofibrosis. I tried to also highlight the similarities and differences between the two diseases. Imetelstat was tested in myelofibrosis in a phase 2 study where a higher dose reported activity and the lower dose ended to be like the control. It had modest activity, but the main signal out of the phase 2 trial, the randomized one, was that that appears that there is a survival advantage of the Imetelstat. So based on that, we have an ongoing phase 3 trial looking at overall survival after JAK2 failure, which is actually the only ongoing study that have a primary endpoint of overall survival. And an audience in the room actually were excited and applauding that there is a study looking at overall survival. We discussed a little bit also the PD data in the study, some of the disease modification suggestion with allele burden reduction and correlation with outcome, and the possible also that the mechanism of action could be different between MDS and MPN.